Hi there. If you pre-ordered my book, 8 Intentions for Self-Healing, one of the bonus gifts that you received was this Intend Well Wheel self-assessment. The instructions are pretty self-explanatory, but I thought I'd make a short video just to go through how to use it. So the wheel has 8 areas of your life, 8 areas that affect your health and your wellness. And there's a series of questions for each of these areas to help you kind of go through and think about how satisfied are you with things in your life in each one of these areas. And it's a way to kind of help you identify maybe you're not spreading your focus evenly across all the areas that affect your health and wellness. Maybe you're doing really well in one but neglecting another. It's just a nice way to self-assess so you can rebalance where you're putting your time, energy, and focus. So I filled it out this morning just to show you. So there's a score of 0 to 10 for each of those 8 areas. So you go through the questions and you think about, am I at a 10 on this? Are there things I could be doing to be even better in this particular area? Maybe I'm not doing so well with it. Maybe I haven't been putting a lot of focus on it. So I went through and filled it out. And just real quick, you can see for things like resilience, focus, and nutrition, I feel like I'm doing really well in those. Maybe I could do a little better, but those are areas where I feel like I've been doing really well, putting my time and attention on building my resilience. I'm very mindful of the food that I'm eating every day, and I've been really successful lately in staying away from things that I know are not healthy for me. But areas where I could put more attention would be movement and relationships. So movement, I'm doing really well at doing some exercise in the morning, but I'm doing way too much sitting during the day. And I've decided that I want to add more movement throughout the day. And I haven't hit those goals that I've set for myself. So I'm falling short of my intentions. And then relationships. When I started working on the book, some people take 10 years to write a book, and I did not want to spend that amount of time writing. So I just really focused on the book, writing all day, every day, 7 days a week for over a year. And, as a result, I've let some of my relationships slide. So that's an area where I could be putting more time and attention in connecting with others and spending more time with others. So one of the things I recommend about doing this type of assessment is it's something that you should do on a regular basis because we get busy and we fall into habits, and it's always helpful to take a few moments and talk about or think about, are my habits taking me in the direction that I want to go, or do I need to make some adjustments in those habits? So one of the things I suggest is every time you do the assessment, look at your calendar, pick a date, make a note on your phone, and say, this is the next time I'm going to reassess. So that's it for how to use the Intend Well wheel. Thanks for listening. Have a beautiful day. And remember to intend well.